Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a generaltso chicken. I used 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I washed them and I trimmed off the fat and cut them into bite-sized pieces, and I seasoned them with my own blend of seasonings. Next, I took the bite-sized chicken pieces and I coated them in all-purpose flour. In a hot wok, I fried the chicken pieces in vegetable oil until they were golden brown. This is how my chicken pieces looked after deep frying them in the wok until golden brown. I removed all of the cooking oil from the wok except for about 2 tablespoons, and I added a couple of cups of chopped onions, the chicken pieces, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Next, I added my generaltso sauce, and I stirred all of the ingredients together and stir-fried it in the wok until the sauce was thickened. Now, you can purchase this generaltso sauce from your local grocery market, or you can make it yourself. If you're interested in how I made my generaltso sauce, I will put the ingredients in the description box below. And voila! Here's the finished product, generaltso chicken. I do hope you give this recipe a try. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bon appetit!